What's up guys? So if you have a Hisense Smart TV and you're unable to open your YouTube application, that is, it does not just open at all, or it just stops at the YouTube logo and does not show anything again, I'm going to show you a few steps or a few tips that can help you solve this issue. So first things first is for you to turn off your TV. So you want to make sure that you unplug your TV from the wall socket for about 30 minutes. So I am just going to unplug mine here. After unplugging your TV from the wall socket, the next thing you want to do is to press and hold on the power button for about 5 seconds. Now the power button is usually found below the Hisense logo on your TV, just at the bottom, or it can be found on the other side or the other end of the TV. So whichever one it is on your TV, just make sure you press it for about 5 seconds. So I'm just going to press mine here. Now you can proceed to plug back the TV to the wall socket and turn on the TV with the power button on the TV. So I'm just going to power mine here. Now you have to understand that this is a soft reboot, so it's not going to affect the TV in any way. Hopefully your YouTube app should be working by now, but if after trying the first step and it does not work, the next thing you want to do is to clear the cache of your applications. That is, to clear the information stored on every application and make them brand new again. Now to do this, you just have to scroll down to System and then go down to Application Settings. Now clear cache. Now one thing you have to know is that after clearing the cache, you will have to log into your YouTube app again, and you will probably have to log into other applications where you are logged in again. But most likely this will help you restore your YouTube application to normal. So you want to clear the cache and try it again. Another solution that might be helpful to you is simply to update the software of your smart TV. So to do this, you just have to go to Support, go to System Update, check if there is any update, and if there is any update, make sure that you update the TV. Now this will enable the TV run on the latest operating system and enable you to access your YouTube application again. The last tip that can help you solve your YouTube app not opening issue is to check your internet connection. Now usually I advise that you go check the router that you're using, or if you're using a hotspot, you have to be sure that your internet connection is good. Now another way to check this from your TV is simply to go to the settings, go to Support, and then go to Self Diagnosis. Now in this particular place, you can perform a network connection test to be sure that your internet connection is good and the problem is not from your internet connection. So you can just click here and it will check your internet connection and let you know if there is any problem with your internet connection. Now in this particular case, my internet connection is good, so you can see that it says connected successfully. If you have any problem using online services, please contact our internet providers. So in this particular case, I do not have any internet connection problem, but if you have an internet connection problem, please make sure you fix it, because that might also be the reason why your YouTube application is not opening.